This video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Chime virtual card in store. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can use your Chime virtual card for in-store purchases by adding it to, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my Google Wallet. So what we need to do now is open up Google Wallet, and now make sure you are signed into your account. From here, click on to Add to Wallet, and then it will say add to wallet. Then we need to choose payment card, so click on the payment card, and then under add a payment card, click on new credit card or debit card, add to wallet, and your Google account, so click on that plus icon. Now you need to manually enter in your Chime virtual card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. So we need to first start off with your card number, click save and continue, and then you need to add in your expiration date, then CVV, then follow the on-screen prompts to verify and save your card. Once your card is added to Google Wallet, you can come back to the main screen and just tap onto it. And then, for example, if this Bank SA one was Chime, I can use Chime to pay for products in store.